In this question, we have given two inequalities. 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6, and another one is 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. Whereas we have another inequality, x is greater than or equal to 0. Now first of all, we will graph this first inequality. 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. The corresponding equation of the inequality is 2x minus 3y equals to 6. By putting x equal to 0, we get y equal to minus 2. Similarly, by putting y equal to 0 in equation 2, we have x equal to 3. Thus, the line 2 intersect x-axis and y-axis at 3, 0 and 0, negative 2 respectively. 0 will be our test point. Substituting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in the expression 2x minus 3y, which gives 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 is less than 6, implies 0 is less than 6. That is, the test point satisfies the inequality 1. Any other point above the line 2 satisfies the inequality 1. That is, all the points in the half plane containing the point origin satisfies the inequality 1. Thus, the graph of the solution set of inequality 1 is the region of the origin side above the line 2. Hence, we have a graph like this one. Now, taking next inequality, 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 12. The corresponding equation of the inequality is 2x plus 3y equals to 12. Putting x equal to 0, we have y equal to 4. And put y equal to 0 in equation number 4, we have x equal to 6. Thus, the line 4 intersects x-axis and y-axis at 6, 0 and 0, 4 respectively. Again, taking origin as a test point, substituting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in the expression 2x plus 3y, which gives 2x plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is less than 12. That is, 0 is less than 12. The test point satisfies the inequality 3. Any other point below the line 2 satisfies the inequality. That is, all points in the half plane containing the point 0, 0 satisfy the inequality. That is the graph of solution set of inequality 3 is the region on the origin side below the line 4. Hence, we have a graph like this one. Now, taking the graph of x is greater than or equal to 0, which consists of the open half plane to the right of the corresponding line x equal to 0, that is y-axis of the inequality x is greater than or equal to 0, and its graph is, here we have its graph. Now, the solution region of the system of inequality 1, 2 and x equal to x is greater than or equal to 0 is the intersection of the graph as shown in the figure. Now, you will find the corner points. We have two equations, equation number 2 and 4. By solving, we get x equal to 9 by 2, and similarly we have y equal to 1. Hence, the corner points are 0, 4, 0, negative 2 and 9 by 2, 1, which we will see in the graph. These are our corner points.